This is a 23-inch Apple Cinema HD display. Someone was going to throw this one out, so I offered to take it off their hands. Upon initial inspection, everything seemed perfectly fine, except when I plugged it all in, nothing turned on. I heard a faint squeal coming from the power adapter, and me being me, I decided to fix it. Anyway, I opened this up before I bought anything to see if there was anything obvious that I could fix. The usual suspect here is a blown capacitor. What I did find is a bit of corrosion, maybe some old water damage, and a solder joint that looked a little bit rough. Perhaps some bad flux or a cracked joint, I guess. It means I could burn hours chasing this. So I made the call. Forget the diagnosing and just replace the whole power supply. This is what comes off the display. 4 connectors, DVI for video, USB and FireWire for the built-in hub, and this one, the thing that looks like an early USB-C. This is Apple's proprietary power connector. That's the one that matters here. So I bought 3 things to bring this whole thing back to life. A DVI to USB-C adapter so a modern machine can actually drive it. I bought a Meanwell RS150 24 power supply, and to put a bow on it, I bought an enclosure because the supply has bare main terminals and I'm not going to leave this exposed on my desk. Before I wire anything, I wanted to confirm that the switch was set to 230 volts and not 115 since I'm in Norway. So with the voltage switch set, so now the main side, I'm going to do a quick check before I trust it completely. I'm going to probe the plug's earth pin to the wire on the terminal. The earth cable is intact. Then, before the display goes anywhere near this, I power the supply on its own with nothing connected and measure. Here we have 24.26 volts, which is steady, plus terminal reads positive. So the box is good. Now I'm going to work on the display's cable. There are 3 wires, red, black, and gray, plus a shield. And here's the rule that saves the panel, since I don't trust the colors yet. Red is not automatically positive, so we're going to switch on continuity mode. I probe the connector's outer contacts, the ones that carry 24 volts. In this case, it's red. Now it's confirmed and not assumed. So I wire it up. Red, the 24 volts to plus, black to minus, shield into the second minus terminal. And the gray sense wire, well, I'm just going to tape it off and leave it floating. Because when the display reads nothing on that pin, it assumes it's a full power supply, which it is. Now that everything is tucked in, enclosure closed, those bare main terminals are not sitting exposed on my desk. And now for the moment of truth. DVI into the USB adapter, into my MacBook, and there it is! A 20-year-old panel Apple walked away from running off a $37 supply, showing a clean desktop. I didn't use any Apple parts, and no proprietary brick, just 24 volts and a pin left floating.